FIG stock analysis and price predictions for 5th of August and onward. This brief short 1 minute video, I'm showing you my exact play and all that good stuff. And it's the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And mainly I've documented it all, right? So generally speaking, it's a bearish market with FIG. Bearish, like, unless I see two things, a big catalyst or just a break above 97.70, then there's just no way that I'm looking at Figma and being like, okay, it's bullish. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you're watching these other videos or whatever your own idea is. I'm just saying how I'm looking at things. And again, it's very subjective opinion. It's not financial advice. You know, so I want you to stay tuned. I do have a previous receipt here with Figma. So if you want to get free money-making emails and insights, and stay tuned, simultaneously click the first link in the description. It's free. Other than that, like, it's only for now and not forever. I mean, this is what we have from this limited amount of data. You know what I mean? So stay tuned.